It was one of these cracks. It was next to a white, yellow rock.
Guess what? Do you see the
It was this one.
do you see the leaves behind you? They're starting to turn. Look how beautiful.
It's in this crack right here.
Best time to be in Boston, right?
Yeah. But the crack fell.
Oh my gosh, and the clouds have so much personality today. Look at us.
Yeah. Those are cumulus clouds.
They are?
Yeah.
What kind?
Cumulus.
Cumulus clouds?
Yeah.
Ooh. Are those rain clouds?
No. Cumulonimbus are right here.
I see.
I dropped it in this crack right here. It's too deep for me to reach.
You've got company.